Imagine this. You're a business executive in India flying frequently to the US with your family. Suddenly, your visas are revoked. Why? The US government alleges your company was tied to trafficking fentanyl precursors. That just happened. And it's not just executives. Their spouses and kids lost visas too. For Indians in business immigration or global trade, this is a wake-up call. Like this video to get recommendations for regular updates. This channel is for Indians navigating US immigration under pressure. What happened and legal basis? The US Embassy in New Delhi announced that visas of Indian business executives and their family members have been revoked under sections 221I, 212A2C and 214B of the Immigration and Nationality Act. That means 221I, authority to revoke visas, 212A2C, denial for suspected drug trafficking, 214B, denial if applicants don't meet visa requirements. The embassy made clear anyone tied to trafficking synthetic drug precursors, including fentanyl, will face consequences. Even family members aren't exempt. Why this matters for Indians abroad? For Indian companies and executives, this shows how US immigration law works in practice. Association is enough. Even being linked to a firm suspected of trafficking can bring lifetime visa denials. Charge AD Affairs Jorgen Andrews stated individuals and organizations involved in the illegal production and trafficking of drugs to the United States, along with their families, will face consequences, including being denied access. So the message is clear. The US sees visa access as leverage in the fight against fentanyl. Wider Trump policy context. This fits into Trump's second-term crackdown. The administration has issued executive orders to secure US borders, target synthetic narcotics, pressure source countries including India and China to regulate chemical precursors. The embassy also said, only by working together will our two governments address this transnational threat. Translation: expect more joint enforcement and tighter scrutiny for Indian exporters in pharma, chemicals, or biotech. Implications for Indian visa applicants. Here's the red pill moment. Even if you personally never touched narcotics, working for a company under suspicion can cost you and your family US visas. Students, executives, or dependents may face extra questions in interviews. Business travelers should expect audits of financials, supply chains, and compliance. For Indians in global business, document your role, keep clean records, and be prepared to answer questions. Transparency is survival. The US has made fentanyl a top enforcement priority, and visa power is part of the strategy. For Indians abroad, this is a reminder. Immigration status can be revoked in an instant if tied to allegations. Comment below. Compliance first. If you believe clean records are the only way forward, like this video to get recommendations for regular updates. And subscribe for Indian-focused immigration news so you don't miss the stories shaping our future.